skills and capabilities are the same thing. It's how you use the system. How good at using it are you? Do you understand it? This was a quote from one of our service owners. So this is one of the insights that came out of our research. As a squad, we spent some time discussing the difference between skills and capabilities. We settled on the Emily Webber definition of capabilities, which is the application of knowledge, skills and experience to achieve an outcome. But when we were completing our research, we found organisations used the terms interchangeably. Skills and capabilities meant the same thing. It involved being confident in applying something you learned to be able to achieve a desired outcome. Therefore, going forward, we aim to be more specific in our discussions to address the things people need to be able to deliver and improve public services. Following on from the previous insight, we also learned that when organisations discuss digital skills, they are referring to the skills they need to be able to use the technology they have available to them to be able to do their roles effectively. They often talk about digital skills competency, referring to the practical skills needed to use packages such as Office 365. When we discuss digital skills, we are referring to specific user-centred design skills, such as service design, user research and agile ways of working. Neither are wrong. We need to be clearer in our discussion to talk about the specific skills needed to deliver and improve services that meet the Digital Service Standard for Wales and help organisations with that mindset shift. Many organisations already possess the skills and capabilities in-house to begin understanding user needs, but often haven't made the necessary connections or recognised the softer skills and roles that can lead into user-centred design. Simple first steps could include engaging with customer service representatives to identify key user pain points or collaborating with business change managers who are mapping out services. These skills are already within the organisation, and our aim is to help them bridge these gaps and make those crucial connections. We will be conducting concept tests on our proposed solutions and are eager to hear from middle managers who are ready to take the next step towards embracing digital ways of working.